Hey lovelies, so it is no more news that Bloom have stated their criteria that you must have if you need to get your airdrop tokens. Yes, so one of the things I want you to always remember is whenever you start any airdrop tax, always look out for the criteria that they have so that you don't go and start wasting your time and be getting a lot of coin balance and be packing or yes, storing coin balance, thinking that is their criteria. So always make sure that you look out for their criteria. So I'm going to walk you today through the criteria listed by Bloom and what you need to do now, so that you don't miss out. Now, if you're new to my YouTube channel, my name is Susan and this is Sussy's vlog. This is where I share everything crypto trading, airdrop projects, updates, millenary tutorials, behind the scene of my baking and confectionery business with my no-fail commercial recipes. I also share how to earn money on the side while you're waiting for that job or as a 9-to-5 worker. So let's dive right into today's tax. So I'm going to walk you through the criteria listed by Bloom if you are farming Bloom. Now, the first thing they said on Bloom is that there's going to be a snapshot. Now that snapshot is not for like Bloom snapshot. No, you know that there is a dogs, like you can get dogs tokens on Bloom. Yeah, yes. So if you've not started seeing yours yet, when you're doing the game, don't worry, it's going to come. Don't worry. So that snapshot is for that dogs that are playing. That snapshot. Let me go to my home page. That snapshot is for that dogs that are playing. If I scroll up here, this drop game. If I click on the play, the snapshot, it is for this drop game. That's dogs. See, mine is not showing that dogs there, so I'm still hoping this allow me to start farming or getting dogs in my drop game. So that snapshot I'm about to take is for this drop game for dogs. So the next thing is the number of tax. The second criteria is number of tax. If you come down here, guys, and you click on this, now look at my own Bloom balance. It is one airdrop project that I don't usually take my time to play. I just log in once in a while, but I'm going to take it seriously from now henceforth. So look at this N. If you click on this N option, you click on that. That is your tax. That is your tax. So on this tax, make sure you do all this tax. See, I've done this my new. If I click on this on-chain, I've done my on-chain. I've connected my Ton wallet. If I click on this socials, I've done all this tax here. Let me click on the social so that I will show you. See, I've done all this. They have code for them. I've done all this. As I can see that they're having tick beside them. When you click on an academy, and I click on academy now look at this one. I'm going to do all these ones now. I'm going to do them today because I'm taking my Bloom seriously. I've done all these ones, but let me do all these ones too. I'll do them today. Now, if you want to see the codes of all these Bloom videos and this Bloom tax, join my Telegram channel. That is where you get hot updates. You get airdrop tax solutions. Like I said in my last video, I'm farming about 62 airdrop projects. Yes, this is that serious. And you get your airdrop tax solutions in the Telegram channel. I'll leave the link in the description box and also pin it as my first comment. Guys, I will pin it as my first comment. And I also encourage you to always ask questions in the comment sections. Feel free to engage me in the comment section. I usually respond to comments. You can check that out. And the third criteria that Bloom is listing is daily check-in. Daily check-in. Like if you can check in every day for like 7 days, 15 days, they are looking at that. It means they are giving their mini app attention. And so that is the second criteria. You want to get your airdrop tokens. The next one is friends. If you click on this particular one, guys, let me show you where it is. Tab here. So the friends tab here. If you click on it, make sure Bloom is saying make sure you have at least 5 friends. 5 friends. Now, I know airdrop tax usually favor. See, I have 7. Oh my god, I'm so happy that I have passed this criteria. So I know there are some influencers that have more friends, and sometimes when you're playing airdrop tax, be like, how can I have friends? All those influencers will have more. Bloom has come out to say that if you are an influencer, like all those big influencers with friends, it's not going to work for you, because I know that even if you have 500 Bloom tokens, you will still earn something for yourself. But I'm telling you, we that are still having little friends, that make sure you have at least 5 friends, because I need to consider that. Have at least 5 friends. Let me click on claim. So I've told you that the first thing is they say the snapshots is not for Bloom, actually. It's for the drop game, those dogs that are collecting. And if it's not showing yet, like mine, they say they're going to it's going to reflect soon. So let's hold on to their word. Then the first criteria is your playtime. Your playtime in that drop game. Make sure that you have time to play that game. Have time to play that game. Just look that game. Just scroll up. Drop game. Play it. I have 27 tickets. I'm going to play the game. Then your number of tax, make sure you are doing your tax. Make sure you are doing your tax. Join the Telegram channel so that you have access to the codes of the video for Blum. The link is in the description box, and also my first comment, pinned comment. Now the next thing is your daily check-in. Check in daily to Blum, guys. Check in daily. Then friends count. Make sure you have at least 5 friends. And the last thing is connect your wallet to Blum. Connect your wallet to Blum. If I click on this wallet that is here right now, if I click on this wallet, you see that my wallet here is connected to Blum. Make sure your wallet is connected to Blum. Do you guys understand? So it can be your turn space, and let it be like an on-chain wallet. It can be your turn space, that is a Telegram wallet, but turn space, or it can be your turn keeper. But make sure you have your wallet connected on Blum. So that is what Blum is saying as a criteria. Now, before you log out, before you stop the video, there's a secret I want to share with you. Some of you have asked me in the comment section that can you farm a particular airdrop project using different Telegram accounts? The answer is yes. Now I'm going to show you a trick. Yes. So if you're not still subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell now so that you don't miss out on any airdrop tricks and update that I'm going to be dropping. And also leave me comments and respond to comments. So let's dive right into it. Now come down to your app store. If you are using like an iPhone, or if you're using like an Android device like myself, come down to your Play Store and click on this search. Now make sure you have Telegram downloaded. You already have Telegram because Family Airdrop project, so you should have Telegram. Then after you've had Telegram downloaded, come to your search button in your App Store, Play Store, and search for multi-space. See it here. See this multi-space. See. Search for it. Click on that multi-space. Now, me personally, I don't farm airdrop projects using multiple accounts because I don't have the time to do that. Not because there's something wrong with that, though. I don't have the time to do that. But if you have the time, please take advantage of it. So once you've clicked on this, now look at it, you have a lot of multi-space here, dual space, and whatever. You understand? Now, the trick is one multi-space to one Telegram account. Do you get? One multi-space to one Telegram account. So if you have your Telegram right now, you come down to this place I wrote multi-space. You download this one. You connect it to your Telegram account, because the reason why you cannot use like 2 Telegram accounts, or the reason why you cannot use 2 to one multi-space is because it uses the same cache from your original Telegram account. Do you guys get? So you link this multi-space with one Telegram account. Then you now go again and download Telegram APK from your Google Chrome or your favorite browser. If you are using Chrome, for instance, see, you download this multi-space here. You download this dual light multi account. You just download as another multi account, another multi app, another multi space here, dual space, all this multi space. Just that's if you have the time, download them. Then you can now go to Google Chrome. You now come to Google Chrome or your favorite browser. You just search for Telegram APK like this. Telegram APK, just like this, and then you will now download Telegram. See this Telegram from up to down. This Telegram, you see this Telegram up to down here. This Telegram for Android. You now download this Telegram for Android. You can also come here to also download this Telegram APK from this app. You download that one too. You can now scroll down. That is if you want to farm airdrop project to different Telegram accounts. You can now scroll down. Let me show you another one. Let me show you another one. See this one from Aptoid. You can also download these ones. Then you now link them with those several multi-space that you already have. Download about 8 multi-space and download Telegram and link them. That is apart from the normal Telegram that you already have. You download those multi-space and link them with these new Telegrams you are downloading. So with this, you are now farming different airdrop projects using different multiple Telegram accounts. So if, for instance, you have like let's say you have like $15 in for per airdrop projects, multiply them by, let's say, 5 Telegram accounts, guys. You can see what you're getting. So go to your app store, your Play Store, search for multi-space. Like I told you, I am not farming airdrop projects on different accounts. I know that I'll walk you through the process. So download them, then come to your Chrome browser, search for Telegram APK. Then you will see I've shown you one from up to down. I showed that one from Aptoid. I showed another one from this APK port. Download them, then link them with those multi-space that you have downloaded from Google Play Store and start farming your airdrop projects. Check it out. So I hope you've seen a reason to stay subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and ask questions in the comment section. I usually respond to comments. So that's all for me for now.